I don't spend money on cooking gas anymore. I make my own stove at home that doesn't need gas. This homemade stove is versatile, lasts hours, and works without gas. Just do this to get started. We only need a can like this one. It can be any size. Measure 2 fingers width as our guide. We'll cut the can's bottom with a blade. Mark the cutting area, then cut with scissors as shown. Folks, this is amazing. It lasts for hours like this. Now we need another can. We'll do the same as before. I save a lot by hardly using gas anymore. With this, I can even cook rice easily. And that's it. We've already cut these 2 can parts. Now sand our homemade stove and it's ready. Now let's make some markings with a pen. Make dots on the sides of the can like this. Next, we'll make 4 dots in the center. Then, we'll punch holes where we made the dots. Use a drill with a fine bit or a nail and hammer if you prefer. I've punched all the mark points and it looks like this. See how amazing it is? It's almost done. We'll make the middle holes wider for the fire's focus. We won't need to drill the other part of the can, okay? Just make small cuts on the side for a perfect fit. Now we'll use cotton as fuel. A few pieces of cotton will be enough. Put it all in here. Our fuel to make the fire will be alcohol. Add the alcohol to the cotton. This will keep the fire burning for hours. Now just close it and our long-lasting homemade stove will be ready. Now in a suitable fixed location. Let's set up our base for the stove and the pan we'll use. Here I'll place some brick pieces and a stove grate. Now let's put our homemade stove in the middle. I've placed a string wick to light it safely. Light it and the wick will ignite the cotton, creating a strong, lasting flame. The longer it burns, the hotter the can gets, making the fire stronger and longer lasting. This small amount of fuel will burn for 4 hours, cooking rice, eggs, and more. The longer it burns, the stronger the fire becomes. Would you like to make this homemade stove yourself? Hope to see you in the next video.